team, welcome back. Today we're reading passage K, Creeping, from the second text in the Simple Comprehension series. The cat crept quietly through the grass toward the tall green tree. The cat smiled as it saw the bird singing on the low branch. The cat had not noticed the dark clouds moving closer. As the cat placed one paw in front of the other, it felt the wind rustle through the grass. The tree swayed in the wind. Crack! The branch fell down. The cat stood up and walked back to the house as the bird danced in the sky, completely unaware. Questions. Where was the cat moving toward? Why did the cat smile? Why did the tree sway? Write two things that happened after the branch fell from the tree. Now let's check the answers. Where was the cat moving toward? The cat was moving toward the tall green tree. In the first sentence it says, the cat crept quietly through the grass toward the tall green tree. Why did the cat smile? A few possible answers here. We could say because the bird was on a low branch, perhaps making it easier to catch. Or we could say the cat wanted to catch the bird. Or perhaps the bird had not seen the cat as it was continuing to sing, and that made the cat smile in anticipation. Why did the tree sway? It says here the tree swayed in the wind. Write two things that happened after the branch fell from the tree. Here's the branch falling. First, we could say the cat stood up and walked away. And we could also say the bird danced in the sky. Thank you for your time. How did you go?